Okay, so when we're factoring with difference of squares, this little cheat sheet will help you. It means that if you have a square term minus another square term, you can factor it so it looks like a plus b, a minus b. So what that means, so on our first one, okay, well, that's a square term because x times x is equal to x squared. Okay, and it's subtracting another perfect square because 4 times 4 is 16. So that all that turns into is x plus 4, x minus 4. Okay, same thing with number 2. So this is a perfect square because x times x, as well as the 49. So 7 times 7. So that becomes x plus 7, x minus 7. Okay, so when we get to number 3, this is where factoring comes into play. So you want to check to see if it has a GCF first. Okay, so if I look at my coefficients, so 3 and 12, okay, common factor would be 3. And then the number of x's, so this one has 4, this one has 2, so they share x squared. So that is what I'm going to be factoring out. So 3x squared, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and I take 2 of those away, so that's x squared. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4, and I take both of those x's out. Okay, so then if I look on the inside, okay, this is a perfect square, or difference of squares. Okay, so x times x, 2 times 2, so that's really written as x plus 2, x minus 2, and then don't forget your 3x squared. Okay, number 4. So again, I can pull a GCF out. My GCF is going to be 4x. Okay, I pull 4x out. I'm left with x squared minus 1. Okay, and yeah, 1 is a perfect square, right? 1 times 1. So this is x times x, 1 times 1. So I have 4x times x plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay, number 5. So I'm going to get my GCF. So it's going to be 5x. So I pull that out, and I get x squared minus 9. And then that becomes 5x, x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, number 6. So my GCF first is going to be 2x. So I get x squared minus 9. So that becomes x plus 3, x minus 3. All right, and that's it for difference of squares.